Hello, YouTube. It is almost Christmas, but there's a late week snowstorm looming for parts of Northeast, including New York City, though. A storm will tap into fresh Arctic air and just enough moisture to bring accumulating snow heavy enough to shovel and plow from central New York State to coastal areas of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut from Thursday night to Friday. The quick-moving storm will be a snow lover's and skiers' delight for the millions with time off around the holidays. But for those who must travel, some streets, sidewalks, and highways will receive a thick blanket of snow, the biggest of the season so far, from this potent Alberta clipper storm. The storm's got a high chance of bringing enough snow to shovel and plow in the New York City metro area. Boston will have a second opportunity for accumulating snow this week. Kids who get a sled or saucer for Christmas and adults who want a break in the snowmobile will have to put them to good use in some areas. From a skiing standpoint, there's nothing finer than natural snow, and there should be plenty of that in the Catskills, Berkshires, and Poconos from the storm. Whenever it snows in the big East Coast cities, the ski resorts in the region tend to get very busy, and this time the holiday break will help with that. Most of the snow in the central region will be confined to the northern tier of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan from Thursday night to Friday. Along the southern edge of the accumulating snow will be a swath of sleet and freezing rain. This icy swath will begin over parts of the Dakotas late Thursday and extend toward the southwestern part of Pennsylvania, northern Maryland, West Virginia, and northwestern Virginia by Friday afternoon. A wintry mix of snow and ice is forecast for Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Washington, D.C. from the late week storm. And while sleet's challenging to travel upon, it can offer some modest traction, but a glaze of freezing rain is also anticipated in some areas, which will create even worse travel conditions. A significant buildup of ice and sporadic power outages are forecast in southern Michigan, as well as in portions of south central Pennsylvania and along the Virginia-West Virginia border. South of the icy zone, where the air will be a bit warmer, there is the potential for fog. This could be locally dense enough in some areas from the Mississippi Valley to the Great Lakes to snow travel. Preceding the late week snow and ice will be a weak storm with a light icy mix that extends from Michigan late Wednesday and Wednesday evening to portions of Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey from Wednesday night to Christmas morning. Where surfaces are treated from prior snow and ice events, this should not be a problem. But some untreated surfaces like sidewalks, steps, and roads could have a thin layer of ice that appears to be just wet. Caution is advised. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.